In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Yahoo emails to group of contacts. We'll walk through creating a contact group in Yahoo Mail and then sending a single message to everyone in that group, so you save time and keep communication organized. Start by signing into Yahoo Mail on the website. Once you're in your inbox, look to the right side of the screen for the contacts icon. Click it to open your contacts panel. At the top of that panel, switch over to the Lists tab. This is where Yahoo lets you build groups. Click Create List to start a new one. Give your list a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, like a book club or team updates. Now add people to the list. You can type email addresses directly, or pick from your existing contacts. As you type, Yahoo often suggests matches to make it faster. Take a moment to double-check spellings. Getting the address right here ensures your emails reach the right inboxes. When you're happy with the name and members, click Save. Your group is now ready and will appear under the List tab for future use. To email the group, click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, begin typing the name of the list you just created. Yahoo Mail will suggest your list automatically. Select it, and you'll see the To field populate with all the members from that list. This is a good moment to glance over the recipients to confirm everyone you intended is included. Add a clear subject line that tells your recipients what the email is about, then write your message in the body. Keep it concise and relevant to the entire group. If you're referencing dates, files, or links, be specific so people can follow along easily. When everything looks good, press Send. Your message goes out to everyone in the group at once. A couple of quick tips as you use this: choosing a descriptive list name makes it easy to find when composing, and keeping your contacts up to date helps avoid bounced messages. Once your list is saved, you can reuse it anytime by typing the same list name in the To field, which is great for recurring announcements or team updates. That's all there is to it. You created a list, saved it, composed your email, selected the list in the To field, and sent your message to the entire group in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.